Hello everyone, welcome to Social Science class. Today we are studying chapter 6 of class 6 Social and Political Life book. The name of the chapter is Rural Administration. This is second part of the chapter. So our today's first topic is Revenue Department. In our previous video we have studied that measuring land and keeping land records is the main work of the Patwari. The Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land revenue from the farmers and providing information to the government about the crops grown in this area. The Patwari has to maintain the record of the crops that are grown in a particular area, and he has to update this information with the government. Because farmers may change the crops grown on their fields, or someone may dig a well somewhere. And keeping track of all this is the work of the revenue department of the government. Senior people in this department supervise the Patwari's work. So who used to supervise the work of Patwari? Senior people in the department. Which department? The revenue department. Our next topic is local administration. How administration is done on local level. All the states in India is divided into districts for managing matters related to land. These districts are further subdivided, and these subdivisions of district are known by different names such as Tehsil, Taluka and so on. At the head is the district collector who has revenue officers, and these revenue officers are known as Tehsildars. They have to hear land disputes. They also have to supervise the work of the Patwari and ensure that records are properly kept and land revenue is collected. They make sure that the farmers can easily obtain a copy of their record, students can obtain their caste certificates, etc. The Tehsildar's office is where land disputes are also heard. Our last topic is Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. This act has been passed to remove gender discrimination provisions in the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005 and gives the following rights to the daughters. So basically, this act is to remove gender discriminations, and it gives some rights to the daughters also. In some states, Hindu women did not get an equal share in the family's agricultural land, but the law was changed. In the new law, son, daughter and their mothers can get an equal share of the land. The same law will apply to all the states and union territories of the country. Hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.